Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AutoCut feature on CapCut Mobile. So by using this feature, you can instantly cut your video to fit into a CapCut template. Let's start by clicking on this AutoCut on the CapCut homepage. And now you can just select the videos. So CapCut will recommend video templates to fit into your videos. You can just click on allow. Now let's find the video first. Okay, so I'm using this video. Click on next. After that, CapCut will analyzing the clip. Just wait, and CapCut will then recommend you with some of the templates that you can use for your videos. Okay, so it's loading the effects. Okay, so here is the template, but if you are not if you don't like this template, you can just find other one that you think fits your video the best. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.